Hey there, I'm Mr. Know-It-All, the lead swing trading analyst trader at Swing Trade Pros, the #1 swing trading and bot community in the world. And I genuinely want to help you make your mark in the thrilling world of swing trading cryptocurrency. I've been trading since 2017 and I've taught myself many different trading strategies, patterns. I'm known for the falling wedge pattern, as you guys might know. I've dedicated my life to mastering these types of structures and patterns, and now my goal is to impact the lives of 1 million of you. Heard that right. My goal is to impact 1 million people this bull cycle. Let that be you. Cryptocurrency markets can be a roller coaster ride, full of ups and downs. But through swing trading, I've discovered a strategy that can truly make a difference. I've poured countless hours to studying the intricacies of falling wedge patterns, rising wedge patterns, you name it, and it has become my area of expertise. Here's the thing. I genuinely want to see you thrive in this market. That's why I've made it my mission to impact 1 million of you. I want to provide you with the tools, insight, and support you need to navigate this exciting but challenging landscape. Swing trading is not just about technical analysis. It's about understanding market psychology and developing disciplined risk management strategies. I'll be there to guide you step by step as we identify different types of patterns and structures and seize profitable opportunities. Together, we'll build your confidence in trading skills, ensuring you're well prepared to face the twists and turns of swing trading. Believe me when I say that I genuinely care about your success. That's why I'm inviting you to join me, Mr. Know-It-All, on this transformative journey. Let's make the most of this bull cycle and work towards your financial freedom together. You'll find all my links in my bio. Reach out and let's dive into this world of swing trading. I'm here to support you and your family and guide you every step of the way because your success matters to me. Together, let's make a real impact and achieve trading success.
Hey everyone, No back here with another video. This one is kind of more of a macro video. I want to talk to you guys about the DXY, which is the dollar index. This measurement, the DXY, is the US dollar strength versus other fiat currencies. It is a basket of currencies, and I kind of want to go through the technicals with you guys to give you guys an understanding of where the S&P, the main indices, and where the crypto markets can head if the dollar loses its strength here. If you guys like the video, you guys know what to do. Smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you tick the notification bell to get all the updates here at Swing Trade Pros. All right, we'll catch you guys on the charts. All right, so this is the DXY, the US dollar index on the monthly time frame, and this is the whole history of the dollar index. And Bitcoin is inversely correlated to the index, and as is the equities market, and literally every asset that is traded versus the dollar. So kind of give you guys a little clue as to what I'm talking about here. This top here was the bottom of the 2017 bull market crypto, right? This whole movement down was the huge parabolic move that we saw. And this here was the top, right? January, February of 2018. And this area right here was the COVID crash. And we can clearly see that the dollar topped out in March of 2020, which happened to be the bottom for all the markets. And then the dollar went down. And then we had our bull run, right? From March of 2020 to May. We made a top in April, May for the crypto market. And then we made the second top in, I think it was November, right? So, I mean, yeah, the crypto lagged a little bit, but you can see the dollar had already reversed its price action. And then this is when they started raising interest rates, and the dollar broke out of this rectangle. All right. And right now the dollar is basing out down here around this 100 level. And so we're at a pretty critical point in time where if the dollar does start to break out, the markets can really have a major correction. And so that's kind of why I'm doing this video. I want to just kind of go through what I think and what is actually happening right now, because we are exactly at a pivotal area in the market right now. So on the monthly time frame, we can see that we're butting up against this trend line here. This kind of looks like a descending triangle, and since 2008, the dollar has been in an uptrend, right? But overall, the dollar is still making lower highs, right? So we have our high back here from 1984. We have our high back here from 2001, and we have our high here from 2022, which are all still lower highs than the high from 1985. So technically, the dollar index is in a downtrend. It hasn't produced a higher high on price since 2002. Okay. Great. Now that we've established what kind of trend the dollar is in, we can kind of understand, hey, is this trend going to continue? Are we going to see movement back to the downside? Okay. All right. So knowing that information, we can go and look at some of our oscillators here on the monthly time frame. And we can see that currently on the monthly time frame, the average sentiment oscillator is looking like it wants to make a cross on the regular candles. On the HA candles, it has not crossed just yet, and we can see that here. And on the regular candles, right this very moment, it's still a green candle, right? And so, but we have 2 weeks left to the month. So if this does get rejected, which I think it is getting rejected right now, I think that we are going to eventually close and lose this 104 region, and that is going to bode well for the rest of the markets. All right, so that's my outlook right now on the short. If we go to like the daily chart, we can see that we had on the CPI number here, we had an attempted rally to break out of this descending triangle. And it looks to me like it was a fake breakout, right? Now we got this like doji candle, and we can see now we're getting some continuation back into the structure, right? So that is not exactly a bullish thing to see. That is more along the lines of a bearish thing to see. We do have a demand line right here, and we can clearly see that we also have our supply line right here. And if this is going to get rejected and come back into the structure like it's doing, it's more than likely going to come back down to retest this 104 support, right? This level right here. Okay, so we're pretty close to it right now. And if we throw on the STP signals, we can see that on the daily, yes, the daily is still long because we are above this, the Kijun line, which is 103.55. If the dollar starts taking out 103.55, then we lose our daily uptrend. And like I said before, dollar down equals assets go up. And it is at a critical moment right now that if the dollar does come back down to retest this low, okay, if over the next couple of weeks we see the dollar do something like this, where it breaks this channel, we bounce off the support and we back test this area as resistance again, then we just keep rejecting this trend line, and eventually we're just going to have lots of selling pressure come into the dollar, and the dollar is going to eventually lose this base at 101, and we're going to see the markets really go on a moon mission. And so that's not confirmed right now. I'm just kind of speculating if this down move here is going to pick up some steam, because the 4-hour right now is telling me and telling us that, hey, we're actually going to make a movement down. And this was a clear fake break, and rejection is incoming. So that's my my short-term analysis here. And the longer-term analysis on the monthly time frame, the dollar is still short on the monthly. So it's almost picture perfect that if this is the rejection off the Kijun line, which you can see is red right here, we're going to get some follow through back to the downside here, and probably come back down into this range, this 97 range in the coming months. And that's going, like I said before, that's going to bode well for all risk assets. That's going to bode well for crypto assets, and really anything that's paired to the dollar, including gold. All right. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, or if you're not new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, tick the notification bell to get all the updates here at Swing Trade Pros, or not at Swing Trade Pros, but at Professor Know-It-All Trades. Excuse me for that. If you guys liked it, you guys know what to do. Drop a comment. If you guys think I'm out of my mind and the dollar is actually going to break out, well, I could be wrong, because, well, the monthly here is is still sitting bullish on the monthly, with the stochastic RSI oscillator on the monthly about to cross up. So I could be very wrong. This could actually hold its base here around this 104 region, make a higher low, pivot and rally. But let's just see how this plays out. It's kind of teetering right now in this range, and the weekly time frame is also printing a long signal. But we have today and tomorrow's price action on the dollar to really confirm this signal. And I'm of the opinion that this is actually going to lose some steam here and pull back. All right, we'll see how this goes. And if it doesn't break down and it does break out, watch out. I think we're going to get a major pullback in the market, because the markets are a bit heated, right? The stock market's at new all-time highs. Crypto and Bitcoin have been just rallying since the ETF news. And so really a healthy pullback would be okay to see in these types of bull runs. All right. Appreciate all you guys tuning in, and hopefully this was some helpful content. I know it seems like there's a bit of conflict on some of these longer time frames, but the shorter time scales are going to dictate what these longer time scales do. So if the 4 hour is going short and is going to confirm a short in 2 hours, and we're going to break this Kijun line right here, then we're probably going to go at least to test this range and find out how strong this dollar actually is. All right, that's all I got for you guys today. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next videos here, and we'll catch you guys